from Friendly. You from LA. You from Silent.
Hey guys, so I wanted to start this video off with a haul, Shein haul. I really like them boots. They was nice. And them sandals was a size 8, and I thought they was gonna be too small, but they fit. All the sandals that I got was a size 8, so keep that in mind. My favorite was these pink ones out of the same 3 colors I just got. I like these Rick Owens, the fake Rick Owens. They cute and they was comfortable. This actually was like a bendable type of phone case. That's why I was showing y'all I could bend it. And my favorite thongs, my favorite pasties, a cute workout outfit, and just a little cute romper, some cute little pieces. If y'all want me to try on the clothes that I got, comment down below if you guys want to try on haul. And that comb, I bought that comb and I have not used it and I lost it already. Like, I lost that comb. Pretty swimsuit, you know. Can't wait to take pictures in this stuff. And that shirt is actually comfortable. I like these graphic shirts. Be aware that if you want the graphics to fit like normal size, you need the size all the way down. Extra small is recommended. When I was working at Shake Shack, I thought I was a rich bitch, okay? This was like the highest job I had ever got paid at. And it was weekly paid too. $15? But at the time, that was good for me. I thought, that's what I thought.
What are you gonna do like shit?
The ceiling. I had a feeling from the beginning. Must be the ending. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you're really the plan.
I like this heart. This one. How real is it? This one is pretty. I was so fascinated with this vacuum, and I wanted to show y'all the asking price because ain't no way this little mini vacuum, skinny old vacuum, is $700.